Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing Penne Pesto cremoso e polpette. A nice pesto, creamy, penne and meatball dish. Very inexpensive to do. Right, let's get on with it. Really quick to do. 1 packet chicken sausages, right? And what we're going to do basically is we're just going to give those a bit of a massage, and we're going to basically turn them into meatballs, just like that. Okay, really simple. Oven sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and all we're going to do is we're going to put those into the oven for around about 20 minutes, maybe 15. All right, so off they go into the oven, and before you know it, they're going to come back. Here I've got a bag of penne, and all you have to do with this stuff really simply is turn the packet over and read the instructions on the back. It will tell you how to cook it, right? There's no rocket science to this. So cook that, and let's get on with our next step. Into a fry pan, little knob of butter, maybe around about sort of 15 to 20 grams worth, and I've got 4 rashers of bacon, which I've just given those a rough little dice like that. That can go straight in as well. Now, I told you this is a quick and it's a very inexpensive meal, believe me. Right, 1 whole jar of store-bought pesto. I usually make it myself, but look, I keep this stuff in the pantry just for emergencies. And look, this is just a no brand, off the shelf pesto, and you grab it while it's on special. If the better brands are on special, grab it, because it always works out great for a midweek meal. So put all that pesto into your pan, give that a good dash of cream. I'm going to say it's going to be about 1/3 of a cup. Okay, put that in, and I'm going to also add in, just for a little bit of an extra hit, a little bit of garlic paste, probably around about nearly a teaspoon's worth, or the equivalent to 1 clove of garlic. Give that all a good stir, just like that. Alright, how easy is this so far? In the meantime, our pasta is cooking, our meatballs are cooking. I'm going to add in just a good pinch of dried Italian herbs. Keep those in the pantry at all times. Give that all a good stir through, and those flavors are all going to start to come together. The smell of this sauce already is incredible. Right, look at that. Our meatballs are done, and they just look beautiful, golden brown. Put the meatballs into the sauce, just like that. Really, really simple. And our pasta is going to be just about ready. I'm going to add in, I had some leftover chives. I'm just going to add those in as well. It's probably about half a bunch. Alright, put that in. Add as many or little as you like. Alright, some freshly ground black pepper. Alright, and the freshly ground is always the best. It's got the best flavour. Alright, we're going to add in our penne, just like that. Really simple. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of the pasta water, but this sauce is actually quick and thick enough for me as it is. The pine nuts in the pesto really help thicken up the sauce. Right, serve that down. Good sprinkle of pecorino or parmesan cheese. I'll leave that up to you. How easy and how quick was that to do? 20 minutes in total. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm, and it really helps the channel. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms or social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. You guys are great. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really good meal for the whole family, 20 minutes on a budget, just like this, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Penne Pesto cremoso e polpette, and I will catch you next time. Bye.